Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Aquarius people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you. Okay. Your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. Okay. So let's start the reading for Aquarius. So Aquarius, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. Okay, we have another Aquarius in this reading with this Star card. We have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Nine of Cups. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, with this Two of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Now let's see. Okay, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And one more card, please. One more card, please. Okay. One more card, please. The Fool. Okay. So Aquarius people, these are your partners reading. Oh, sorry, energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is going to be the mutual energy between you and your person, and this is going to be the future potential. Okay, now let's start the reading for Aquarius. So we have Justice card, the Star, and Nine of Cups. Okay. Okay. So Aquarius people, your person feels about you with this with these cards. They feel that you have been through something in life. Okay, maybe you were dealing, or maybe you were involved in some kind of a legal issues in past, or maybe you are dealing with some legal issues in present situation. Okay, your person also feels that your person feels that you are into some kind of a divorce or legal separation things, something like that is happening for you. Okay, in this maybe with your old partner you are taking some any divorce or something like that is happening for you. Okay, and whatever is the case, okay, whatever legal issue is there, you are definitely going to win that. Okay, with this Justice card I'm feeling that. Plus also your person feels about you, Aquarius, that you have been dished by so many people in past. Okay, you have been cheated by so many people in past. Okay, um, now you are bringing balance into your life. Okay, you are taking control of your life into your hand. You are taking your own time to judge people. You're taking your own time to trust people. Okay, this is the reason you are being in this energy, this Justice energy. Okay, now you are not seeing, or you do not want to trust anyone blindly. This is the reason you have sword in your hand. As long as soon as someone say any bad words to you, you are going to cut them out. Okay, and your person also feels that uh, whenever you are going to bring balance into your life, okay, you are definitely going to heal yourself. Okay. Okay, Aquarius people, your person also feels that whatever the situation is going on with on your part, be it legal thing, be it divorce thing, be it separation thing, whatever is the situation is, you are definitely going to win that. Okay, you will be the victorious one, and eventually you are going to bring balance into your life. You are going to heal your heart, heal your mind. Okay, you are going to forgive all the peoples who have given you the tough time in life. Okay, And plus they see uh, they see that you are gaining some clarity in life in future, or maybe it is them. Okay, I mean, they feel that they are the one with whom you would like to spend rest of your life. They are the one with whom you want to share your heart with. They are the one that with whom you would like to see yourself in future. Okay, in short, they feel that you are going to choose them in future. This is the time when this is your healing time. You are transforming. Okay, you are healing your heart, you are healing your mind, you are healing your soul. Okay, and once the healing will be done, you are definitely going to choose them. That's how your person feels about you, Aquarius. And moreover, when you will heal yourself, when you will, okay, um, when you will come forward towards them, you are going to be happy. Okay, they see that once you'll heal your heart and mind and soul, you are definitely going to get all the good all the good luck, okay, good fortune, and right emotions, right affections, okay, from the people around you. Okay, but still you are being very calm. Okay, and I feel that a lot of people, maybe you are going to get a lot of proposal in your in future. Okay, that's how your person feels about you, Aquarius, that once you'll be out from that divorce or separation thing, lot many people are going to chase you. Okay, lot so many people are going to offer you something. Okay, in terms of love, in terms of emotion, but they know that at the end of the day you are going to choose them. Okay, because this person, they have lot many options in their life. Okay, I mean, this guy has so many options in his life, but still he's not looking back towards them. Okay, so they see that you are going to choose them. Okay, so these are your partner's energies towards you. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. Okay, so we have two of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. So Aquarius people, you feel that your person with the Six of Pentacles, you feel that they are someone who is very kind, they are someone who is very humble, they are someone who is giver in the relationship. Okay, you feel that they know how to balance things. Okay, they know how to provide to the less fortunate people. Okay, they are kind, they are humble, they are down to earth. That's how you see them. Plus also I feel that you see them as someone who has uh, you know good amount of money, I would say, or good amount of material or financial stability in their life. They have financial stability basically. Okay, plus I'm seeing that you also feel about them that they are the one who know how to bring balance into their personal and professional life with their family and with their loved ones. Okay, with their friends. Okay, so yes, and with this Two of Pentacles also, you feel about them that they are juggler. Okay, even though they juggle a lot, so many things are there into their life. Okay, maybe they have to deal with their I mean, they are someone who juggles a lot and they don't show it to anyone. Okay, they are basically a good juggler. That's how you see them. Okay, plus with this Ace of Wands, you also feel about your person, Aquarius, that they are the one who is the more who is more energetic in this relationship. Okay, when it comes to take action, they are the one who are not afraid to take any action. Okay, they are always ready to start something new in life. Okay, maybe you feel that your person is definitely going to ask you about some proposal, some commitment, something like that. Or you also feel, Aquarius, that your person is going to start this relationship from different level. They want to start this relationship, they want something, some commitments. Okay, or they want to give you some commitments. Okay, they are going to approach you. That's how you feel about them. Okay, so mutual energy is Page of Swords. Hmm. Okay, so I feel that Aquarius people, this is your person who is in this energy, Page of Swords right now. Okay, because you are healing yourself right now, you have lot many options in your life right now, and I feel that they are doing their job perfectly. Okay, they are just cutting the all the love offers which is coming into your way with their love, with their affection. Okay, they are your savior, they are your yeah, they are your savior basically. Okay, plus I'm seeing that they are your protector because you are healing yourself, so they don't want anyone to uh, disturb you, to interrupt you in your healing cycle. Okay, the future potential of this relationship is the Fool. So I feel that once your healing will be done, something new is about to happen for you with this Fool card. Maybe this time you are going to take a leap of faith. Okay, this time you are going to take surrender in front of God, you are going to surrender in front of your person, you are going to take life, you are from a different perspective. Okay, from a new approach. Okay, you are going to have a new approach, a fresh approach towards life, towards love, towards emotion. Okay, yes. Okay, so that was the reading for Aquarius people. Aquarius people, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.